the way you should practice every time you're learning a new musical piece for the first week. F.E.R.N stands for F, fingering, E, expression, R, rhythm, and N, notes. So you'll play your section of your piece or whatever part you're learning 5 times using a different part of F.E.R.N each time. So the first time you play through, you'll focus on F, fingering. That means you'll make sure that you're playing with the correct finger numbers and that your hand position is correct, that your fingers are curved, that your thumbs are on the key or under, so that your hand position is correct and you're using the correct finger numbers. You'll play the piece again, this time focusing on E, expression. So any musical details that are in the section you're learning, dynamics, wrists, phrasing, this is what you'll focus on. You'll make sure that all of these details are there. You'll play the piece a 3rd time, focusing on R, rhythm. This is a great time to actually play with a video or with a metronome to make sure no matter what, even if you hit wrong notes or miss details or play with incorrect fingering, that your rhythm is correct. If the piece is too difficult to play the first day with the correct rhythm, you should either really slow it down or just clap the rhythm for that part of your practice in F.E.R.N. N is for notes, so you'll play the piece a 4th time focusing on notes. That means you have to play that entire passage playing all of the notes correctly. So in this instance, if you have to make a pause to play the note correctly, it's okay because you're just focusing on the notes. The 5th time you play through the section, you're going to give yourself an evaluation and determine which parts of F.E.R.N you did really well. So you'll play through the piece, and then on the last part you'll write in or X out, depending on what your practice chart looks like, the parts of F.E.R.N that you did perfectly. So say you played it through and your hand position was great, you did the right fingering, you remembered all of your wrists, but you had pauses or you did the rhythm incorrectly and you made some mistakes on your notes. So in this case, you did F and E well, so you'd mark that, and then you made mistakes on R and N, so you would leave those out. By the end of the week, your goal is to be able to do all steps of F.E.R.N perfectly at the same time. That's not expected at the beginning of the week, but as the week goes on, you'll see your progress and that you're getting more parts of F.E.R.N perfectly each time.